Robertson. My ticket number is 544889. I have the new Cricut Maker machine. These are the numbers on the bottom of my machine. Okay, I will be doing the smile card. If I can find the pen. Sorry for the bad video. Okay, I'm putting the mat in. My machine is making a loud knocking noise. You'll hear it in just a moment when this device moves back and forth. That's the noise. Now, I'm making the smile card. Just going to tell it to start. Okay, and now I'm just going to push the start button. Okay, so I think you've heard enough of the knocking sound.